Hello coders, I'm back again with my filter 2 part 2 video. So this time we'll be searching on name and not a particular column. So the Bengali is for 1, Hindi is for 2. So we'll be dynamically giving these column names. So we'll be making a heading subject, and here there will be a drop down. So the drop down here is showing, okay, so we'll be creating a drop down. So we'll be selecting all of this subject and give it a name. So that is Narayana School, means NS and SUBJ. Let's press enter. After that we will be going to the formula, we will be going to the data, and from the data validation we will be selecting this data validation. From any value we will be selecting a list, and the source is equal to Narayana School NS SUBJ. Let's press enter. Let's see whether the drop down is working properly or not. Yeah, it's working fine. Now we'll be populating the marks. So this time we'll be using again the index match in a different approach. So index, the first parameter of the index is whole of the table. So we'll be selecting this whole of the table, comma, is asking for the row number. So the row number is for the Vishwajit. So for row number, who returns the row number? Match function returns the row number. It will be searching this lookup value, and it will be searching within this particular range of cell, and the searching would be an exact kind of thing, comma, and from the column number what will be doing is that the lookup value is this one subject, and it will be searching from this particular range of cells. Will be pressing a comma, and how this searching would be of, this will be of 0, exact kind of search. Okay, so I made a small mistake. This is not normal M12. Here there will be a function, again a match. So match M12. Let me clear this out. Let me press escape and rewrite the formula. So equal to index. If index accepts the whole of the array. So I selected the whole of the array, comma. For the row number, we will be using the match. It will be searching this value. This is the lookup value, and it will be searching within this range of cell. And the searching would be of 0, means exact kind of thing. We'll be pressing a comma, and again we'll be giving a match. This time the match will be based on the column label, and this column label can be found in this particular first row, this first column, this first row of the table column. So that's, and the searching is of 0 type. We'll be crossing the braces for the match and then for the index, and press enter. So Bishwajit Das, let me select Bishwajit Das, and his physics marks is 68. Let's select physics. Let's see what happens. Yeah, physics is 50. Bishwajit Das physics is 50. Okay. Marks is 50. So it is showing for geography. So match M12. Okay, fine. So instead of using n subject, I mean I have chosen this particular from the Bengali. Let me select from this name column, this whole of this section, and press enter, and let's see what happens. Yeah, it's 68. So there is a small error which I made a mistake, because I selected this one, but the table has the heading from this one name. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be rewriting the formula, but this time we will be defining the deleting the name range which we had created earlier. So we'll be going to the formula tab, and from name manager we'll be deleting this particular one which I have created as subject, and we'll be redefining it. So I have deleted n subject. That's how you can delete a name range. This time we'll be selecting this whole of the table row, and we'll be naming it as Narayana School SUBJ. Let's press enter, and we'll be rewriting the formula again, equal to index. So index expects the whole of the table. So I have given the whole of the table as the difference. Then row number. So the row number would be written by the match, and it will be searching this particular value within a range of cell. So this is the range of cell within which it will be searching. If it finds the value, and it will be an exact kind of match. Let's press 0, comma. Then again there will be a match. This time it will be searching for the subject, and the lookup will be from this particular first row of the table, And again the selection, the searching is of zero type. We'll be closing the brace again to close the index function and press enter. 68, let's change the data, maybe for Torun Roy. So we'll be selecting from the drop down Torun Roy. Where is he? We need to search for him. Ashid Nag, Torit Ghosh. So Torun Roy is after Orpita Ghosh. So yeah, I found Torun Roy. His physics marks is 51. Torun Roy, his physics marks is 51. Yeah, it's working properly. How about computer science? Let's select computer science from this section. Yeah, it's 72. So in our earlier video, filter 1, we searched on Torun Roy and just populated the data statically, that the column number will be a static one. Here the subject, that is the column number, is getting changed. It is a dynamic one. In the next video, we can achieve the same thing. To fetch only one column data, we can use the VLOOKUP. And after that, in the filter 4 video, so the next video, this is filter 2. In the filter 3, we will be looking into VLOOKUP. And in filter 4, we will be looking into how to use VLOOKUP to fetch multiple column data. So that's all for this video. See you again for filter 3 video. Happy coding, guys.